Bernese Mountain Dog and loud noises, fear and anxiety. Bernese Mountain Dogs are gentle giants known for their calm and friendly nature. However, like any other dog breed, they can be susceptible to fear and anxiety, especially when it comes to loud noises. In this article, we will explore why Bernese Mountain Dogs may be fearful of loud noises and how to help them overcome their fears. Understanding the fear, loud noises such as thunderstorms, fireworks, or even household appliances can trigger fear and anxiety in Bernese Mountain Dogs. These noises may seem harmless to us, but for our furry friends, they can be overwhelming and terrifying. It is crucial for us, as responsible dog owners, to understand why these noises affect our berners and how we can assist them in coping with their fears. Sensitivity to sound. One reason why Bernese Mountain Dogs may be more prone to being fearful of loud noises is their sensitivity to sound. Their acute hearing allows them to detect sounds that are beyond our human capabilities. What may sound like a mild thunderstorm to us can sound like a bomb going off to our berners. This heightened sensitivity to sound can easily lead to fear and anxiety. Negative experiences. Another contributing factor to the fear of loud noises in Bernese Mountain Dogs is negative experiences. If a berner has had a traumatic experience in the past involving loud noises, they are more likely to associate those noises with fear and anxiety. For example, if a dog was left alone during a thunderstorm and was frightened, they may develop a fear of thunderstorms for the rest of their lives. Symptoms of fear and anxiety. When exposed to loud noises, Bernese Mountain Dogs may show various signs of fear and anxiety. These signs can include trembling, panting excessively, pacing, hiding, whining, barking, or even destructive behaviors such as chewing or digging. It is important to recognize these symptoms and address them appropriately to prevent long-term behavioral issues. Strategies to help berners. Now that we have a deeper understanding of why Bernese Mountain Dogs may fear loud noises, let's explore some strategies to help them overcome their fears. 1. Creating a safe space. Providing a safe and designated space where your berner can retreat during loud noises is vital. Whether it be a crate, a specific room, or a cozy corner, this safe space should be equipped with comforting items such as their bed, favorite toys, and blankets. 2. Desensitization. Gradual exposure to the feared noises can help reduce fear and anxiety. Start by playing recorded sounds of the loud noises at a low volume and gradually increase the volume over time. Reward your berner with treats and praise for remaining calm during the exposure. This process should be done slowly and at your dog's pace to prevent overwhelming them. 3. Counter-conditioning. Associating loud noises with positive experiences can help change your berner's perception of them. For example, during a thunderstorm, engage in fun and enjoyable activities such as playing games or giving them treats. This positive association can help create a more positive response to loud noises. For calming techniques, various calming techniques can be employed to help your Bernese Mountain Dog relax during stressful situations. These techniques include using calming music, aromatherapy, acupuncture, or even calming vests. 5. Professional help. If your Bernese Mountain Dog's fear and anxiety towards loud noises persist despite your efforts, it may be beneficial to seek professional help. A veterinary behaviorist or a certified dog trainer who specializes in fear and anxiety can provide professional guidance and tailor a training plan specifically for your berner's needs. Conclusion. Fear and anxiety towards loud noises can be distressing for both Bernese Mountain Dogs and their owners. By understanding the underlying causes of their fears and implementing effective strategies, we can help our berners feel more secure and confident during loud noise events. Remember, patience, consistency, and love are key in helping our furry friends overcome their fears and live a happy, stress-free life.